Hello dear students, welcome to Pure Mathematics channel. It is question 140. In this question we want to integrate this expression x to the power 5 and integral x to the power 5 multiplied by a square root of x cube plus 1 dx is equal to question mark. Dear students, if you like our channel, please thumbs up and subscribe our channel and share with your friend. Here we want to solve this question by using partition method. By using partition method, we have integral u dv is equal to u multiplied by v minus integral v du. Now here we have x to the power 5 into square root of x cube plus 1 dx is equal to integral x to the power 3 into x square into x square root of x cube plus 1 dx. Here we choose this one as u and also this one as dv. Now u is equal to x cube. This implies du is equal to 3x square. Here dv is equal to x square into square root of x cube plus 1 dx. Now here we take integral from both sides. V is equal to integral dv is equal to v. Here we have to use substitution. X t is equal to x cube plus 1 dt is equal to 3x square dx. If we divided both sides by 3, we get x square into dx is equal to 1 over 3 dt. Now we want to put this value here. Integral of dv is v is equal to, instead of x square multiplied by dx is 1 over dt. Actually is square root of t into 1 over dt, 1 over 3 into dt. Now v is equal to integral t 1 over 3 into integral t to the power 1 over 2 dt. It is equal to 1 over 3 into integral t to the power 1 over 2 dt is equal to t to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. It is equal to 1 over 3 into 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over 2 over 3 multiplied by t to the power, instead of t we can write its value x cube plus 1 whole to the power 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over 2. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2. It is the value of v, it is the value of u. We can put here integral x to the power 5 into square root of x cube plus 1 dx is equal to, if we divided by u and dv. Actually it is on the original expression is x to the power 5 into square root of x cube plus 1, this one. U multiplied by v, u is x cube, multiplied by v, 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus v du, integral v du, v is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2, it is v du, du is equal to 3x square dx multiplied by 3x square dx. Now it is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 3 by 9 cancelled, 2 over 3 integral x square into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 dx. Now we want to integrate this term. It is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3 into we use m is equal to x cube plus 1 dm is equal to 3x square dx. Now instead of 1 over 3 into dm is equal to x square dx. Instead of x square dx, instead of these two expression, we can write 1 over 3 dm. Instead of x cube plus 1, we can write m. Actually, m to the power 3 over 2 into 1 over 3 dm. Now it is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube into x square plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 3 into 1 over 3 into integral m to the power 3 over 2 into dm. It is equal to 2 over 9 into x to the power 3 into x square plus 1 to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1, 2 over 3, 9, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, into m to the power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. Now we want, it is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 9 into m to the power 2 multiplied by 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 5, m to the power 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. It is equal to 2 over 9 into x to the power 3 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 over 9 into 2 over 5 into m to the power 5 over 2. It is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 9 multiplied by 5, 45. Into, instead of m, we can write the value of m. M is equal to x cube plus 1 whole to the power 5 over 2. We can add c, it is constant. If we take the derivative, then it will be 0. Therefore, integral x to the power 5 into square root of x square x cube plus 1 dx is equal to 2 over 9 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 3 over 2 minus 4 over 45 into x cube plus 1 whole to the power 5 over 2 plus c. It was the solution of this question. Thank you for your watching.